All right, we're gonna move this to the side. We're gonna grab a medium-sized bowl and a whisk. I have here a 5-ounce, 6-ounce container of strawberry Jello. We're gonna add 2 cups of hot water to that Jello. And we're gonna start mixing that until the powder has disintegrated. All right, and once you have seen that the powder has disintegrated into the water, we are gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of cold water right in there. We're just gonna give this a quick mix before it starts to set. And once we have mixed this, it is time to bring back in those wine glasses. And I have here a little ladle. So we're gonna grab our wine glasses, grab our ladle, and pour it right into the wine glass. That looks beautiful. And then we're gonna set it back into our muffin tin, just like that. And we're gonna do the same for the 3 wine glasses that we have. Before it all sets, we're gonna throw in a few strawberry slices. All right, now this whole entire tray goes in the fridge until that Jello has set. All right, so we have this leftover Jello. It's not set yet, and we are gonna add 1 container of Cool Whip Original right into our leftover Jello. And we wanna make sure that that Cool Whip is thawed before adding it into our Jello. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start folding that in until our Cool Whip is nice and pink. All right, and now that this is fully mixed, we're gonna transfer this into a piping bag. All right, you guys, so this has been in the fridge for 4 hours. We're gonna go ahead and grab our Cool Whip mixture that we just made, and we are going to cut the tip just like this. Put it over your thing so you don't make a mess. Woo! Okay, she's coming out quick. And we are going to grab these and start filling them up. And as we fill them up, we can kind of lean them like so. Beautiful. Look how gorgeous that looks. And we're gonna put it on our sheet pan just like that and do the other ones. All right, we just finished up that last one and we used all of that Cool Whip mixture. Now we are just gonna pop these back in the fridge for 1 more hour. Oh my, these are finally ready and look how gorgeous they are. I mean, those 2-sided little Jello strawberry deliciousness is just way too cute. So we are gonna finish these up with some Ready Whip. Now I'm gonna top off with some fresh strawberries, just right into that Ready Whip, just like so. Look how darling that just makes this. Obviously this is optional and you can do this with any flavored Jello. You could do orange, you could do raspberry, do lemon, lime. I just wanted to do strawberry for the holiday, Valentine's coming up. And lastly, let's finish it off with a little bit of mint peeking behind our strawberries. And there we go. These cute little desserts are ready to enjoy. All right. Cheers. Get a little bit of both the Jello and the cream side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is really good, you guys. So worth the chilling time. You guys have to try them and your guests will be impressed.